For material beliefs, I've been spending a lot of time at Institute of Biomedical Engineering. Obviously they do biomedical applications here, they create technologies and then those technologies get kind of spun out into products. So I've been interested in lots of the things that they're doing here, but primarily I've been inspired by the digital plaster. Digital plaster is a kind of array of body-worn sensors which record biometric data, whether that's the heat, temperature of the body, the heart rate, these kinds of things, and also how the body is tilted in space. So you have a sensor on the body which tracks body data and then uploads it to a server. So what it is a kind of monitoring platform for people with acute health problems. I'm interested in how that might move out into other markets. So if you take the platform, the digital plaster platform, I'm then putting that into the context of child monitoring, because there's just been a lot about this in the news. There's lots of new products and technologies which allow parents, anxious parents, to kind of track and monitor their child. So I'm taking the digital plaster and making a system called Vital Signs, which is a hypothetical but fully working set of prototypes which allow children to be monitored. This is a plaster that's worn on the body of a child, and it's got sensors on it. Picks up biometric data. The data is heart, the posture of the body, and volume of the lungs. So then what happens? That gets transmitted to a mobile device, could be a mobile phone that the child has. And then the mobile device uploads that data, the biometric data, to a server. And then that server broadcasts the data to the devices, which is the things I'm making. So these are kind of output devices for that biometric data. This one shows the heartbeat. This one tilts from side to side, so it shows the motion of walking, the speed of walking. And this device kind of represents a lung, so the membrane on the top is kind of moving up and down. What I've done here is just to simulate the animation of the heart, which is what you'll see on this object. So this is in a program called processing, and it just allows me to, as I say, simulate the behaviour of the real object, just to test it out beforehand. This is a piece of software called Eagle, and this allows me to design the circuit boards that will be in the hardware. This is the circuit board that sits in the display. That's where the heartbeat will be animated. And these are the drivers that kind of control which LEDs come on and off. There's a driver for each 4 displays.